So I have the GFB Go Fast Bits noise trumpet 5702. I put some tape around the stock ProCharger filter, the bypass filter, just enough to leave about that much of air filter, and I cut a hole. I'll show you. I cut a hole in the front of the filter and pushed on the trumpet. I want to see how it sounds. It might sound cool. You can hear it at idle. Let's see how it sounds. Alright, so I got the GFB Go Fast Bits blow off valve, the noise trumpet for the blow off valve for the modded WRXs. They are designed to screw on to the blow off valves to give some noise when they blow off. I put the smaller one on, the 5702. You can see the difference in the two. This one is a 5701, it's a little bigger, and it's a lower pitch. I also taped up my bypass filter, the ProCharger bypass filter, with electrical tape. I went up, wrapped it up, wrapped it down, left a little bit open, because the inside diameter on these things, I gotta use one over here. The inside diameter on these things are 1.5 inches. And I don't want to be reducing down to 1 inch or even 7/8 or 3/4. So I left some of this open. I mean, I'm no rocket scientist, but I'm close to the CFMs that's required to let the air out. Now I'm going to throw this on and see how it sounds. I tried it without tape. You couldn't hear this at all because too much air's come out of here. Eventually I'm going to make a rubber hose that connects to here and to the trumpet. And maybe a little hole to let air out, just enough air to let it out, and then so you can hear that.